Looking to find solutions to enhance your community disaster resiliency? Stop searching and pause for a while. Because we think we've got what you're looking for. Our research findings could help you. We are from the Northeastern Mindanao State University Bislig campus. Findings include optimum rainwater tank storage in the context of Surigao del Sur's Type 2 climate, annual water savings per household, and buffer time of flood in different rainfall intensities. Let's talk. We are ready to help shape impactful policies for your community. Together, let's transform ideas into actionable research-based ordinances, fostering sustainability and creating a vibrant, resilient environment for all. It's our way, the NEMSO Touch.